chalo, we are going to do all of the questions regarding these three topics. Let's start with the very basic question. What exactly is question? What is pure substance? So you guys know already what is the name of this chapter. Matter around us pure. कि हमारे आसपास जो भी matter है, is that pure? So we should know what is pure, है ना? 1 mark में question can come. So what is the meaning of pure substance? Pure substance which is not having any other substance, which is not having any impurity. Impurity मतलब if I'm going to mix it with something else, it will become impure. So pure means which is made up of only one type of particles. Okay? Only one type of particles. And those particles can be atoms and those particles can be molecules. It's not necessary कि सिर्फ atom, same atom से जो मिलके बने, that only is pure substance which is made up of by same molecule. Also it is also pure substance, so which is made up of same type of atoms. We have a term for it, that is elements. So all the elements are nothing but pure substances. Okay, वो pure होता है nature में. We have 118 elements. All the elements are pure because made up of only one kind of atoms. Molecules, we have 1,000 millions of molecules, just like water. If I talk about water, all the water is made up of H2O molecules, right? If I talk about salt, NaCl, all the salt is made up of NaCl molecules. If I talk about acid, just like HCl, made up of HCl molecule. So all the molecules are also having some same composition in which they are mixed with each other with a fixed proportion so that they behave like one. Okay, molecule also behave like one particle. That's why these are known as pure substance. So if someone is asking, is matter around us pure? So it's not necessary. Pure only when that is element or compound. Molecule बना मतलब वो क्या है? Compound है. Okay? Compound है. Right? So elements and compounds are pure substances. When I'm going to mix these substances, I'm going to get mixture which is completely impure. So that's the rough idea about the starting of this chapter. Yeah? Funda is clear? Very good. So for your benefit, I have attached the whole solution also. You can download the PDF so that this can be there with you in form of hard copy also. Okay? Download कर लेना, उसके बाद hard copy भी निकाल सकते हो. Yeah? Let's see one more question. What exactly is the second question? Give example of a solid solution. Okay, अब if I talk about solution, what exactly is solution? Solution से ये मत समझना, solution means it might be a possibility something is liquid. It is not necessary at all. Solution is the another name of homogeneous mixture. I told you if the substance is not pure, that substance is known as mixture. Impure substance is mixture, and mixture has two categories, homogeneous and heterogeneous. Homo means same, genus means phase, means that kind of a mixture in which all of my substance present in the same phase. Same phase का मतलब I am not able to differentiate कि इसके अंदर 2 particle है, 3 है, 4 है, कितने हैं. They mix with each other so well that it gives a feel like it's only one. Then it's why it is impure, because randomly you have mixed that. It is not like this is made up of same kind of particles. Yeah, bache? So yes, this is homogeneous mixture, same phase. Another name is solution. You can also call it true solution, same thing only. Solution or true solution as well. Right? So if someone asks you, give any example of solid solution, what example you're going to give? ऐसा substance, ऐसा mixture which is completely solid. So this is talking about a mixture like solid in solid. What is a meaning of solid in solid, बच्चा लोग? Solid in solid. You take a solid, you mix it with a solid. So जिसको लेते हो that is solute, which is in less amount. In solid, जिसमें डाला तुमने, that is acting as a medium so that you can mix this substance into this substance. So that is solvent. Solute which is in less amount, solvent which is in more amount. Solvent helps, provides a medium so that your solute can dissolve into it. Means your solute and solvent together mix and give you a solution, gives you a mixture. ठीक है? ये साथ में इसको बोलोगे solution. Now they are asking example for the same. You can give a very good example, that is alloys. है ना, alloy की बात करूं, that to solid and solid, I can take some example like brass and bronze. है ना, brass का example ले लेते हैं. brass क्या है? brass is an alloy of copper, means copper is in very much high amount, and I put some amount of zinc into it, approximately 30%. Less amount solute, more amount solvent. So I tell you, brass, that is an alloy of copper, mixing it with the zinc